Hi, in this video, I will show you an easy and simple way to import point data from a table in Microsoft Excel into QGIS. First, you need to prepare your data table with coordinates, like longitude and latitude. I already have an example table ready here. Next, open QGIS and go to the Processing toolbox. Look for the tool called Create Point Layer from Table. You can find it under the Vector Creation section. If you have used this tool recently, it will appear in the recently used list. Click on the tool, then select your Excel file. Here, I have a file called Coordinate List. Open it. After loading, scroll down to the Field section. Set the X field to your longitude column and the Y field to your latitude column. Finally, click Run and wait a moment. Once it's done, you will see your point appear on the QGIS map. This is a quick and easy way to import point to QGIS from an Excel table. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.